Hi guys, welcome to the PP channel. I've been seeing a couple of questions from the voice acting app tutorial clip I uploaded previously, so I want to see if I can help you guys answer some of the questions. The name of the app though, I left it at the description area. If you just copy and paste it, you should be able to find it. And the word basically means voice acting show. Yeah, you cannot change the language, but you can, like, if you want to voice over for a specific language, you can do that. Let me open the app. Okay, so this is the home page, and when you want to voice for a specific language, what you can do is you can go to the mic icon in the middle, and then you can pick a category. So this little kitty icon is the anime icon, and once you clicked on it, these are the language you can voice over for. So the first one is all, the second one is Mandarin, the third one is English, the fourth one is Cantonese, the fifth one is Japanese, and then the next one is Korean, and the last one is other languages. And the second part is the filter. The first icon is all, the second icon is boys or guys, the third one is girls, and the fourth one is combination. So combinations like collaboration. So if you want to voice over with your friends, then you can use that that icon. How do we sign up in this app? Okay, so first I go to Google, and then I search for the app name, and then the first one here is the official website. So yeah, if you're using Android, you can just download the app using the download button, and after that you install it onto your phone. And once you install it onto your phone, it will ask you to log in, right, or create an account. So okay, let me log out of my account. So this is how the page looks like, the app looks like when you first download it. And the top here says that state that you're not logged in. So when you click on it, you can log in using your phone number. So you want to select America. Where's you? Well, let's just look at the right side and find the +1. It's toward the top here, +1, and then you enter in your cell phone number. I'm gonna pause that for now. And then you click the second button to send out the verification code. And then once you get the verification code, what's the verification code? Let me find the verification code. Then yeah, you're logged into your account. So, well, it's the same step if you want to sign up for an account. You just have to give them their phone number, and they will send you a verification code. Okay, so now that we're done, I'm going to do a quick voiceover scene. Oh yeah. So if you want to, if you find a clip you like, usually it comes with a tag. So this is actually the anime's name, title. So when you click onto it, it will give you more works under that tag. I'm gonna try this one. Oh. Yeah, so like I mentioned before, the right icon here is the lyrics. Oh, sorry, not lyrics, the script. So sometimes there are different versions of the script you could pick, and you can also create your own. So if you want to create your own, you just click on this pencil icon and you can edit the script. And that's cancel on the right and complete on the right. Wait, sorry, cancel on the left and complete on the right. And then the third icon here, what is it? Oh, so that's actually recording the video while you're voice acting. I don't like to do that, so I don't use it. And then the third one, the second icon here is to voice over with the background music. But in order to use that, you need to wear headphones. I don't like to wear the headphones while I record, so yeah, I also don't turn that on. So if I don't like it in Japanese, I can do romaji. So saku yareba dekiru. Okay, kansen. Alright, so now I have the whole clip translated into romaji, and I can start my voice acting. Hi, okay よ。ザックやればできるじゃない。すごく便利な道具みたい。I think that was a little bit too slow. はい、OK よ。ザックやればできるじゃない。すごく便利な道具みたい。Okay, what is that? Oh, okay. せっかく作ったのに。次の部屋に進んでちょうだい。はい、OK よ。ザックやればできるじゃない。すごく便利な道具みたい。Yeah, I don't like the last part. The part, after the part is so bad. せっかく作ったのに。でももう必要ないからいいわ。Is it?
でももう必要ないからいいわ。次の
部屋に進んでちょうだい。Okay, that's like that's so to remove the subtitle, the script I wrote, you just have to turn it off by clicking the subtitle button. And so I'll explain a little. I don't remember if I did it last time or not, but the two circles down here, the left one, there are 4 options below. The first option is for volume, of course. So if I want to make my voice lower, then I just turn the circle to the left. And the second one is changing the timing. So this, you can only use it to move the whole voice, whole audio ahead. You cannot like pick specific time to move it. So if I want the entire audio to move up by 30 seconds, I can do that. I just move it to the left. And the third one is to change your voice. I don't really like it. It sounds really weird. You can make your voice lower or make your voice higher. It sounds really funny when you use it. So but you can always try it. So if I actually I can show you what happened. Yeah, so but yeah, I don't use it because it's just so weird and funny. It's really hard to get back into original volume, but if you just go back a step, it will reset everything. And then the third part, the first one is something about, well, it's, you can play around with it, but it's with echo and like spacing. Yeah. And the right side is the background music. So if you want to make it lower or higher, you can do that. And once you're done, click the complete button and add in a title. And if you don't want to, add in a title, you can just leave it like that. You can change the cover by clicking this button here. And when you click it, they ask you if you want to pick a scene from the clip, you want to take a picture, or you want to pick one from your emblem. So usually I will pick from the clip, but I think this one looks pretty good, and I don't really have to. Well, actually I could, so let me pick a different yeah, no, it's okay. And then the bottom part is the tag that I mentioned earlier. So right now there's only the title of the anime, and I can add in another tag. The usual tag I use is Japanese, so that 2-word means Japanese, so other people will know this is a Japanese work. And once you're done, you just click upload, the huge red button, and depending on the time you upload, sometimes it will take a minute, sometimes it would take like 10 minutes. And once it's done, you can open it up, and you can do multiple things. The first one is give yourself a thumbs up. You actually can give yourself a thumbs up, totally legal. And the second one is to share your work to others. So when you click it, if you pay for like the subscription, like $2 a month, then they let you share it 8 times a day. And then the third one is comment. The fourth one is if you want to do another voiceover. And the fifth one is to share. So you can share it or you can download it. That's my favorite feature, downloading it. And once you download it, you can share it with your friends. Okay, so I think this part is explained. And when I click onto the 3 dots on the top right, you can change the title or the cover picture, and you can change it to a private video. You can turn off the comments, or you can delete the video. The first 2 options you can only do if you're a VIP, which, like I said, it's $2 a month, and I'm okay with that. So yeah. And then I think that's about it. And I can also go over this setting page, or my home page, the last tab here, for you. So of course the top is your profile, your name, and the row here, your works, the number of works, the number of collaboration. The third one is the works you submitted. So sometimes you the source files, and I don't know what's the 65, but those are others. And then the second block is the notification center. So system notification, the number of likes. The third one is the number of collaboration. Once you click it, they reset to 0. And the fourth one is comment. The fifth one is chat. And then the next block is creation center. So the first one is draft box. When you get stuck uploading your file, you can just leave it at the draft box and try it again at a later time. And then the second one is the works you already voiced for. Look at this. It's so cute. Okay, I don't know. And then the third one is my favorite. So, and the last one is when you want to upload source files for other people to voice over for. Do you open this? Ta-da. This is so kawaii. It's a mango smoothie, I guess. I don't know. I just bought it from the supermarket. Okay, and then the last block is self-center, my center. So those are mainly for people who are getting paid to do the voiceovers. The only important ones here is the find your friend, the fourth icon here. So if you have a friend and you want to find them, you can use that to search for them using the ID or something. So the ID is next to your icon. Yeah, I think that's about it. This thing is so weird.
はい、OK よ。ザックやればできるじゃない。すごく便利な道具みたい。
うるせえ！俺はどうだね
ザック。
ああ、せっかく作ったのに。でももう必要ないからいいわ。次の部屋に進んでちょうだい。